This is Project 67, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 soft top built to our client's exact specification. 67 is painted in eggshell Keswick green with black accents all around. This D90 sits on 16-inch deep dish steel wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. Project 67 features a new canvas soft top with multi-point cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D black metal steering guard and 4 round LED spotlights up front. Inside, Project 67 features a Momo Prototypo steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Exmoor modular heated and cooled seats, with 2 bench seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in horizontal Garrett Cadence Moonrock leather, stitched together in Garrett Ash. This D90 soft top is powered by our 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Project 67 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout.